Oh, dude, look.
Welcome back and good morning. You know, one day you blink and you look and a whole site is completely worked over for construction. And that's what's happened right here. This particular location had a clubhouse in 1912 that was built. And I think around 1940, a tornado hit it. There's some great, look at these photos of it, just a beautiful clubhouse. And then, you know, a developer buys this property, before you know it, it's all torn up, and then you have this. So there's a small section of woods left. Me and Buddy are gonna go on there today, look around. It's right at the entrance, so hopefully there's just a little nugget or two left from this historic site, at least in the county that I live in. And you can see directly behind me, this is pretty cool. Right here, look at that. Part of the old building left. So hopefully we'll find something. And another piece for you. This morning, my detector is still out. 3 weeks now, no metal detector. I had to send it off for repairs, and for the first time ever, I'm going to use a Garrett. I've always used whites, and then I transitioned to the Mind Lab 800. But today I'm going to use the AT Pro that a friend of mine, Buddy, is bringing. So I have absolutely never had one in my hand, so it's going to be a quick learning curve. Wish me luck. Here we go. I'll see you on the first, hopefully, dig. All right, guys, I'm entering the section of where the clubhouse once stood, and it is very dense. All I gotta find is a little nugget of land, clearing, I should say, and I'm good to go. Now, guys, remember, I've never used an AT Pro here. I have no idea. I think I'll just dig everything. We'll do a double dig. Let's do a double dig. Double dig.
Yeah, this is
hard dirt.
Soil.
Yeah.
You moved it.
I did?
Yeah, it's over here.
All right, let's see what we got here. Gotta find something decent, man, today. At least somebody gets something. One item.
Yeah, this has already been graded over.
Oh, dude, look. Holy crap. Now, if that is from this clubhouse, I am gonna freaking die, dude. It is. It's like a building. Oh, it's got some writing on it.
But you can't read it. Oh.
S something CO. You want to take a look?
You look at it?
Yeah. Well,
You good?
yeah, I'm getting up. Double dig, baby. We popped out some sweetness.
Yeah, anything 90 on that damn thing, dig it. Okay, it's a large building. It's SC and Company. S, capital C and Company.
Where'd you see the number? Oh, it is on the back.
But dude,
Guys,
what we're looking at right here, look. See those? Those are tractor marks. So
Yeah.
all this soil that was hard,
Yeah.
it's been pushed in here. All this has grown up since this has been pushed.
Let's keep working it, man. Dude, I'm
let me
dying.
Google this real quick.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get something to drink. Awesome fun. Moving on. Guys, maybe 20 minutes into this hunt with a Garrett AT Pro I've never used before. Bam, just popped this out of the hole. I can't wait to research. It's a key tag, is what Buddy's saying. It's got a number on the back. And we'll put a close-up out there. Can't wait to get back. Had to go get something to drink. Heading back. Here we go. I'm not so sure we'll ever know what this is. My guess maybe a tag for some equipment, or I just really don't know. I don't think it's a room number because they didn't have rooms to rent out, and that's just too big a number. So if you got an idea, let me know in the comments below. is that? Huh. Not sure. I just got a buddy up here. He's using the XP ORX. Heavily dense area for us guys here in Central Florida, but doing the best we can do, see what we can find. Something on the top here, getting a good signal. I see some glass. Under the glass maybe. Let's check it out. Oh, that's metal. Ooh, is that a plate? I wonder if that's a nameplate off something. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to clean that up. I mean, I don't see anything inscribed on it, but golly, that is in good shape. I'm always amazed at what you find. When I got home and got this cleaned up, there's an image on it. You can see a house. I'm going to rotate this in the light just a little bit, and you can definitely see a front porch, the roof. You can see the railing right there on the front, the windows. My guess is maybe this was on a plaque inside the clubhouse, and it's, you know, deteriorated over the years, and this is all that's left. What a cool find. I love a surprise like this. Trying to get up to the road, meet up with Buddy. God damn it. Oh crap. I heard something rip. Well, it was bound to happen. I'm a klutz. It just fell. Ripped my stinking bag. Now I'm going to have to sew it. Let me show you. Caught this on the shovel going down. Ripped it off here. I just hope I can get it to hang on a little bit until I'm done. Had to get rid of the pouch, guys. It finally broke. So I took the spade. Got it rigged up here on the camera harness, pinpointer in my pocket, and we're gonna keep digging. Can't let that slow me down. Here we go. Hey guys, I'm out in the middle of the woods. Come up on this thing here. It looked like, I mean, it looked real. My heart just took a little bit of a beat. Fake snake. I bet I can scare the piss out of Buddy with this thing. And Buddy plucks up surface fine old door hands. Look at that.
That's a little decorative.
Yeah, that's old.
I think we can put some WD-40 on that.
Yeah, man. Get it working again. You know, it was sounded repeatable, and now it's kind of scattered. I don't know, I'm done. There's a piece of glass right there. Look at that. Why are there so many targets here going on? Dude, there's something round right there.
Here. What is that?
There's something else.
Huh?
It looks like a token. It's heavy. Maybe I got a token. Token farm. There's something else there. Looks like it's got writing on it.
I don't think so. You're videoing, right?
Yes. God dang, I didn't think I had it
Like
on.
you said, you need to get a view of where you found this son of a bitch out. Let everybody know you found it with a gear. Out in the middle of nowhere. It looks like a 50-cent piece to me almost.
Ain't got no idea, dude. I see flowers and scent.
Take a look. In my good ass eyes.
It says scent.
Ready?
I ain't got no idea.
Dude, this is an old 1-cent piece.
What?
Can I spit
Are
on
you
it?
sure? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the leaf.
Here, let me look.
Yeah, it's a 1-cent piece. A large cent they call it, whatever. Let me look at that real
I've
quick.
never found a large scent.
You're down in a hole, brother.
Look, I just plucked out of this hole, almost up under this tree, my first large cent. I have no idea what the date is, but it's definitely a large cent. You can see that. I'll insert a picture and a video, and hopefully when I get home I can pull a date off that. But this structure was built in 1912. This was the clubhouse. A couple more targets. We're going to keep working this area, but my first large cent. Yeah, baby.
So that thing's about the size of a 50-cent piece.
A little bit smaller, but
A
yeah.
little smaller than that. And
Nice. With your metal detector.
And
Your
you-
ET Pro.
you scored your oldest coin with my detector.
Buddy, I mean, does he get half? That's what I want to know. Does he get?
Yeah, I get the good side. All right, Gary, good going,
All right.
man. Way to go, brother.
Guys, we looked long and hard. I dug for a while, popped out a bunch of nails. Buddy got down there and was digging, and we thought maybe there was more coins, as you would think. And that was the only coin. We pulled out all kind of junk. My guess is, you know, like today, every now and then you'll get a wheat cent when you get change. They're still in circulation. And I'm thinking back in 1912, maybe it wasn't uncommon for a large cent to still be in circulation, and somebody dropped it when they were building this, or that, who knows what part we found this in. It looks like down in the basement on the inside of the building.
But he sees some type of decorative metal. He's trying to get out of this hole. You got to be careful. This is very dangerous. Oh, dude, you got it. You got it. Yeah.
Might look good hanging on your wall, brother.
What is it? It's got some decoration.
Yeah, it was designed to. It was probably a piece of that, like a ceiling decorative piece, you know, that
Yeah.
would go on a corner.
The old,
Would have blazed around the corner of the building.
yeah. That's pretty cool.
About as far as it goes.
Let me take a look.
It's not as good as a 1800 large cent, but hey, it's part of the building.
Yeah, Buddy just pulled this out. Looks pretty good. You can see the decorations on it. Yeah, it was definitely a corner piece from 1912. Huh. All right, man. Let's roll.
Well, it's a good day. We found a little of this and a little of that, and I got my first large cent. That was probably the only cool thing plucked out of there. And, you know, it was a lot of fun getting out in the woods, getting to see this old, what's left of this old clubhouse. I'd always heard about it, just never knew where it was at. Again, you could see some of the ruins and the corner post and what was left of it when it was demolished in 1940 by a tornado. Had a good time, folks. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please take the time to subscribe and hit the like button, and thanks for watching. And as always, I will see you on that next dig. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right, stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. Guys, that's right out of my scrapbook, 1988. And I was in the police academy. And we are going through some training. And guess what? It's alligator training. It's how to catch an alligator, how to rope one up. You know, I am in Central Florida. That's something you had to learn to do. They're everywhere in every lake. just like this in 2002, you'll get a call of a little gator walking down the sidewalk or crossing the road, and that kind of freaks people out. And then sometimes you get a call on the big boys like this guy. Now this guy is off of the interstate. You hit this alligator doing 60, 70 miles an hour, you're going to wreck. So we get out there, try to do our best to get him off of the road, call a trapper, but sometimes they can't get there in time. So we have to get the gator tied up, and we take him to another location to release him. So that's me on the far left on the tail. And we're going to take the tape off the feet, jump up, and take off. And this little gator is going to be put back in the water. And we go on to do our business until another call. As a spokesperson, unfortunately, I had to deal with the media on a couple of fatalities, people that were killed by alligators. And there's a gentleman that was washing his feet and got killed and pulled into the lake. That's the story from the COPTECH Vault. Hope you enjoyed it. And folks, I'll see you on that next dig.